camera. Yeah, no, it's been fairly fucking blowing. Yep. Turn it off.
This back wall that had no plasterboard on has been annoying me for quite some time. And in our little pump shed, there were a few sheets of gyprock. Not in really good condition, but good enough to go up here.
This is right over, don't we? Now we're going to score, cut it first. Right, throw it over a knife. You hold it there for a second. Let's go in the garage, I think there's one in there. 2750. 2750. Why? That's the back stage, don't worry. So I can cut it, I'm not cutting it vertically. I'm worried now. We can cut it ready. Put the bottom out, mate. Drop down.
The shed of gyprock has been sitting on its side in the shed for quite some time, and it's got a bit of a bow in it. Pretty sure the nail's going to get rid of that.
And we'll be right. It should hit the weatherboard, won't it?
Yeah, but you need to lift mine, you push the door end up.
It's got a frame on it. Are you in?
What? Come back a bit this way, so I don't know how. Okay, that'll work.
Hang on a second, before we do it, where's the spirit level? Let's double check.
Well, it doesn't matter, does it?
No, you're going to flush it up.
Put a nail in.
No, closer to the edge.
There.
Down a bit more, there, somewhere there.
It doesn't matter if you've got some decent nails in.
You don't want any sticking out where the joining is. Now, you can come out, Steve. Put the bottom on there.
Yeah, the bottom.
On there.
This is the bottom here.
Now, put this on there. Okay. Right, back. Right, now, Steve can start here. You go up there, mate. You need a ladder to get up? No. You want to just go take the ladder to his sheet?
There.
Right, now you've got to wait there for me, mate. Keep your hook on it.
60-year-old joints just don't bend as easily as they once used to.
Now, in these, Mark, yeah, that's it. And we can stand him up. Carefully, like that. See. Right, now Steve, you need to get in a position where you can get up on the ladder and put a nail in.
Hang on.
The sheet's safe where it is, mate. Well spotted.
Yeah, that was one nail that we'd missed and had to come out.
That's right, fucking middle of those fucking boards. Yeah. Doesn't matter, you're joining all the rest of it without any knocking. You bodies, isn't it? Yeah. You become the pain. We're going on. You might have to come out at the top and put the bottom in first, mate. That's it. Next one, now traction. Look. Square. Hang on, I've got to get it. Now your end in. We've got to do something here. But I won't tell you about that yet. Is it square? Doesn't matter. Now I want to pick up this one.
I think this is meant for ceilings.
Well, it is only 10 mil. Just the thin stuff. Laying down again.
This piece of gyprock is going to be the last bit we fit up into this corner here. The cabinet maker is doing the measurements. Measure once, cut 3 times. Job done.
That's a right-handed knife.
And it's a left-handed bit of wood. Oh, I think you
missed.
No, I didn't. There you go. Yeah, put that in the middle.
Yeah, you can cut it, man.
You stand it up. That'll do. Good spot.
That's upside down.
That way. No. I want the. I actually made it to put this in there.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, deliberately.
Okay.
Because I don't think the unrecessed edge is going to go in there.
Oh, hang on, I've got to put that beam in there. It won't go in. I've got to put that batten in.
Right for the batten in.
Yeah, well,
So what was the height?
13.
8, is it number
1840.
1840, but your batten can't be 1840.
What can it be? 18 shorter. Means the bottom of the wooden. Oh, okay.
Just make it. Oh, doesn't have to go. Doesn't have to be tight. 1700.
Big Bertha. Slip down there. Oh, no.
We're gonna go in it.
Well, yeah, but you'll be able to do that with the when you put the quarter round back on the ceiling. I'll straighten it up.
What you know about that?
What time are you going to head off? Who? 12. Something like that.
This is the big trouble. These beams here are dipping. When we've measured them, it's about 50 mils up around where I am, so it's probably a fair bit more there. Not sure what we need to do to fix that. Previously it's had metal straps which have broken apart, and that's what's possibly caused it to dip. We're a bit cautious about crawling into the roof space because of the risk of it falling without those metal straps there. This is what we've done with the gyprock there. It's not perfect. The gyprock itself is a bit shitty, but it's actually fixed up the appearance of that big hole that was in the wall. And I actually thought that all this fiberboard was glued to the plasterboard, but it's not. This one was actually screwed, so it came off quite easily. Over this side where the plasterboard has been broken, we pulled a bit of the fiberboard off, and it has been glued on the edges but also nailed and screwed, so it will come off. But the fiberboard is in pretty average condition at the moment. The paint itself is flaking off, so you can sort of guess this has probably been here for 100 years, so it's probably not lasted too badly considering. And the fiberboard, well, there you go, comes off really easy. So the question now is, do I replace all of this with gyprock? we certainly have to do something with the ceiling to secure it from collapsing or getting any worse. Whether we put up a frame inside to support it, it's another question. Let us know what you reckon in the comments.